Thank you. Asante. Thank you. Mambo? Mko sawa? Thank you. To Your Excellency the President, the Deputy President, Tokas, our friends, Musalia Mudavadi, members of Parliament, MCAs, leaders present. This is a momentous occasion, Your Excellency the President. In climatic terms, we call this climate justice. This water that is black in Korogosho is green in Machakos, is green in Makueni. The innocent children in Machakos and Makueni are swimming. The innocent people in Machakos are farming. The food is coming to Nairobi. We are consuming poison. Your Excellency the President, if there's one thing that you will do as a legacy is to make sure we have a clean river. In my youth, this river had fish and this river had lobsters. But Your Excellency, the commission, this one, you need to give them helmets, you need to give them bulletproof cars. Kwa sababu wale watu ambao wanaharibu mto huu ni mabwenyenye, si hao mahasla. And Your Excellency, these people should pay. The law calls it polluter pays principle. In the US, when Shell poured oil into the ocean, they paid for it. Anybody who pollutes the river must pay for it. Mahasla, hakuna haja mahasla watoe 100 million to clean this river. And Your Excellency, it is a tragedy. The people of Korogosho must live in human dignity. And this is a generational issue. That a child in Kenya can be born in Kenya to see a river that is black. And it's not a river. This is not a river. This is a sewer. And we should call it what it is. And we must put to shame anybody who has done this to the environment. And Your Excellency, if the national government can make the standard gauge railway and pass a law that if you remove a piece of metal of a standard gauge railway, it becomes an economic crime. It must be an economic crime in Kenya to pollute a river. Because those people consuming this water are getting cancer. They are dying. It is murder. Usiwasikilie huruma. Punish them. That is the way to restore this river. But we thank you for taking this bold step, together with your government, to make sure that once Thake is completed, we can have clean water. Because that water, you have promised us, we will consume it in water. And that's why I'm here. And thank you, the Deputy President, for inviting me to this auspicious occasion. I am a stakeholder. I thought that the Commission should have our stakeholders from Machakos, from Makueni. Because that is where the real effects of this river are. The real poison is out there where people don't know that this water is black when you're here and turns color when you get to the other side. Thank you, Your Excellency.